How to get the most from video conferences. Kate is working from home because of the coronavirus crisis and misses the interaction with her colleagues. But there is a ray of hope. Luckily, everyone these days has a webcam for video chats. But what is the best way to arrange that so it doesn't end up in chaos? Relatively short video conferences, conducted quickly but more often, have proven to be especially successful. Infrequent but longer online meetings, on the other hand, tempt participants to drift off. That makes sense, right, Kate? The best room for a video chat is quiet, not open to pets or uninvolved people, and can be locked. To be on the safe side, Kate should always mute her connection when she's not talking. That eliminates background noise. Even before the video conference, Kate sends out an agenda for the meeting, ideally with no more than 5 points. Participants can prepare their thoughts and bring them to the meeting. Super! Also, Kate plans set durations. For example, for the introduction of the topic, the discussion, a phase for solution gathering, and the distribution of tasks. When Kate is organizing a productive meeting where solutions are to be generated, she invites no more than 8 participants. During the conference, she asks quiet participants directly for their opinion. That strengthens the discussion and improves the results. In a video chat, everybody should be visible. That way, no hierarchy develops in the communication. And nonverbal signals by all participants can be read as well. Distracting apps and programs are closed so that everyone stays focused. Kate is happy. Efficiently and jointly, this is how working together can once again be fun. You want to help others make their video conferences successful? Share this video and help to stem the spread of the coronavirus.